Alright, we are going through November's beauty boxes. I will have the prices listed on the screen for you, as well as the links to the subscriptions in the description down below. This month I only have 3. I did not renew the Kinder Beauty Box. I may still re-sign up for it, but I'm probably going to wait until after the holidays, just because, I mean, I would much rather spend that money elsewhere on gifts and stuff like that. I know some of y'all think that if you're on YouTube you make money. You don't make money unless you've got like millions of subscribers or whatever, but anyways, you really don't make money. You really have to just enjoy doing this to be on it. So anyways, the only box I have that does not have all full sizes is my Allure box. I will have the prices that they give me listed on the screen. But I will let you know when they are full size and when they are not, so you know to like compute the price in your mind. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and get into Allure. Alright, so the first thing we got here is Medicate, I think that's how you say it, Crystal Retinol 3. This is full size and this retails for $64. I don't know much about this product, but I mean, it's supposed to make your skin look great, so of course I'm going to use it. Okay, so this is Prom all-in-one cuticle and nail cream, and this is full size at 22 ounces and retails for $28. I have a lot of cuticle cream stuff, so I think I'm going to stick this into my next large giveaway, which is coming soon. I haven't really decided when. It may be after Christmas, maybe before Christmas. I haven't decided, it just depends. But yeah, this is going to go into that. Okay, so the next thing we got is dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair from Mudsky, yeah. And this retails for $72. Now, I don't really have a dandruff problem. I know someone who has the issue with their scalp. It's not so much dandruff as much as a skin thing. I might give it to that person to see if it helps. So yeah, very useful. Okay, so next we got a small size of Leaf Moisturizing Balm Toner. The full size retails for $30 at 200 milliliter. This is 5 milliliter. So yeah, I'm not sure about this. I might keep it for future travels, not that I'm traveling anytime soon, but I hope to. But look how tiny and cute that is. Alright, the next thing we got is Natra Ecos Castana Creamy Shower Gel. That is a mouthful. The full size is 6.5 ounces. This is only 30 milliliters. And the full size one retails for $17. Again, I think this is good for traveling. That's why I like the small ones, is for traveling. I don't travel much, so it's good that I only get one box with them. But yeah, I am interested in that. Okay, so the next thing we got is Amika the Cure Multitasking Hair Treatment. This retails for $30 at 200 milliliters. This is only 30, but I am going to use it because I really do like this brand's products. They really do make a difference, and my hair is damaged because I like to play with chemicals and put them on it and make it change colors. So I will be trying that. The last thing in this is Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream. The full size retails for $19.95 at 1.7 ounces. This is only 0.24 ounces. I may or may not use this. I haven't really decided. But anyways, I will tell you that Cetaphil is a wonderful brand, and I do recommend that for anyone with, you know, trouble issue skins. This is a very gentle brand and works wonders. Okay, so we are moving to Eyescream Beauty. This is an indie brand. They work with mostly indie brands, which is well loved, and it is makeup heavy. So if you love makeup, this is probably the box for you. First thing we have here is this palette right here. This is Friendsgiving palette from Saints, Angels, and Sinners Cosmetics, and this is a special collab with Eyescream Beauty. This retails for 50 bucks. Okay, so here are your shades. There's a mirror down below, but these are the colors. I am going to swatch them because I definitely want to keep this. It's not really so unique to my collection, but I like some of these shimmers, and I do want to play with this palette. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. If I can get it to pick up. They are a good variety of mattes and shimmers, and I am in love with the shimmers in this palette. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I really cannot wait to play with this. Okay, so the next thing we got is powder blush from Delany Cosmetics. This is $10. It doesn't say on there the color on here. It just says number 3. But let's see what the color is. This is a really beautiful color. I think this might actually, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this one because I think I have colors already like this. This is really pretty though. So I'm going to stick that into my giveaway box. Okay, so the next thing we have is, this is a face serum from Marabel. This retails for $28. This has retinol in it, which is really a good anti-aging thing. Let's see what the bottle itself looks like. I mean, if you've been watching me, you know I'm really into skincare. I'm very skincare heavy. So I will be using this at some point. Okay, the next thing we got is a Cherry Red Liquid Liner by ZC Cosmetics. This is what it looks like, and this retails for $24. I do like the products from that brand quite a bit. They have a lot of adventurous colors and different eyeliners and mascaras and stuff, and I really enjoy trying the different things. Okay, so that took me a little bit to get out, but that is the tube itself, and I'm going to swatch it on my hand so we can see together what this red liner looks like. It is a cherry red. See if I can get it picked up for you. It is very much so a cherry red. So like if I was going to use it, I would probably want like more of a neutral eye, maybe with some shimmer with that. I think that would be really pretty. But I do like that, and I'm definitely going to play around with it. Okay, so the last thing I got is this loose duochrome pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and this retails for $8. It's not really picking up. I might put a little on my hand. I'm actually really excited about this because it's, I mean, it says pigment, but it really looks like a glitter, really. Okay, I just swatched a little bit of this, and like, it is so pretty. See if I can get the sparkles to show. Okay, there it is. You see the sparkle right there? It is so pretty, and with that red liner, that will just be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we are moving on to the last box, and that is Ipsy, of course. I don't have any prices in the box. They don't put that card anymore because whatever. But I will find it online, and I will post it on the screen for you. So let's go ahead and see what they said. Alright, the first thing we got is Kapari Marine Cleaning Purifying Gel Cleanser. I love trying different cleansers. This brand is a really, really nice brand, and honestly, I can't say enough about how great their skincare is. So, absolutely thrilled about that one. Next we got Gloss Modern. Yeah, that is the name. It is Clean Luxury Body Cream. I really don't know much about this brand, but you can never really have too much moisturizer for your skin. That is the fountain of youth and will keep you from aging quickly. So very happy about more moisturizing for the body. Alright, the next thing we got is Rosa Canina, I don't know, Essential Face Oil. I'm good with face oils. I like my face oils. I do my serums, my face oils, and my moisturizers. I do it all. Oh, and toner, of course. I do all of that to my face because Again, Fountain of Youth Moisturize. So anyways, I am very excited to try this. I think I'm gonna like it. I hope I'm gonna like it. I will find out. Right. The next thing we got is actually toner. This is Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. This is the box. I like the box. I know that doesn't really tell you much about the product, but I do like the box. So it's a toner and a serum in one. That's interesting. This is so pretty. Okay, look at this. I don't know if it's picking up. I'm trying to get it to pick up. It really looks like little blue petals in it. That is so pretty and cute. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. I typically use spray bottles, but this is cute. I'm so gonna use this. All right, the last thing in this is an eyeshadow palette from Alamar. This is Destino, I think that's what it says. Okay, this is a very unusual palette. It locks, okay? So you close it like this, you push this way, do it again. Yeah, you push it this way and look, you can't open it, it's locked. So you have to move that and open it. And these are the colors. Let me take this plastic off so you can see them. I actually think I'm going to keep this palette. I like the color story in this one. It's a little bit different than what I have. I do have palettes with those colors in it, but like this color story in this palette, it's kind of speaking to me, so I am going to keep it. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see what it looks like. This is a very interesting mix of colors in this palette. I think I like it. I'm not sure. I think I got to play around with this palette a little bit, but like as of right now I like it, but I don't know what kind of looks I'm going to create with it, but I'm excited to see what's going to happen. So anyways, that is it of all my stuff in these boxes. Let me know what you think of these items down below. Which is your favorite box? Always interested for feedback. Anyways, that is it of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.